In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Chat. Whether you're new to Zoom or just looking to enhance your skills, knowing how to effectively navigate the chat feature can significantly improve your virtual communication. Let's get started by logging into Zoom. Open your web browser and go to the Zoom website. Here, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. This allows you to access your account or set up a new one if necessary. Once you're on the sign in page, one of the quickest ways to log in is by using your Google account. Simply click on the Google button. This option is convenient because it allows you to bypass the hassle of remembering yet another password. After clicking, a new window will appear, prompting you to choose the Google account you want to use. Make sure you select the correct account to avoid any login issues later. After successfully signing in, you'll land on the Zoom homepage. At this point, you'll want to join or create a meeting depending on what your agenda is for the day. The chat feature is particularly useful in both scenarios, whether you're collaborating with a team or hosting a webinar. To create a meeting, simply use the New Meeting button or click Join if you have a meeting ID ready. Now let's delve into using the chat feature. Once you're in a meeting, you'll notice a series of icons at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Chat button and click on it. Doing this will open the chat panel on the right side of your screen. The chat panel is your space to communicate via text with all participants in the meeting. This is useful for sharing links, asking questions, or making comments without interrupting the speaker. But what if you want to send a private message to someone? Easy. In the chat panel, find the drop-down menu next to the To field. Click this menu and you'll see a list of all the meeting participants. From here, you can select the specific individual you would like to message privately. This feature provides a discreet way to communicate directly with someone, ensuring your message reaches only the intended person. Once you've selected the participant, type your message in the box at the bottom of the chat panel. When you're ready, hit the Enter key on your keyboard to send the message. Remember, your messages, both public and private, are an important part of keeping the meeting interactive and engaging. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the essentials of using Zoom Chat. It's a straightforward feature, but one that can greatly enrich your Zoom experience by keeping everyone connected and informed. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice these steps to become more comfortable using Zoom Chat in your meetings.